Welcome back to Nifty Garage. This is Sheldon here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove your steering wheel on your Nissan Z. Alright, so first step on getting your airbag off, I'm going to go into accessory mode in the car and I'm going to roll the windows down so that if the door shuts or whatever and it's locked for whatever reason, then you don't lock your keys in the car. So first things first, we pop the hood. We're going to remove this battery cover. And then I have a rag because I'll take the negative off, put the rag under the cable just so we have no chance of like reconnection. This is a 10 millimeter, so we can free that up, spin that off, then get your rag and just throw it under there, and that is guaranteeing that it's not gonna I have a pocket screwdriver right here. You can use an Allen head, a smaller Allen head. You can use a pick. You're gonna come through the bottom of the airbag first. We start at the bottom right here, and then I did the front right one and then the front left, and then this will come out this way, and I'll kind of go over with you what this looks like in here. All right, so I'm just going to give you a visual. You're going to find the hole in the bottom of the airbag. You're going to push straight up, and it is going to release that tab. You can tell that's spring loaded, so you can see the front of the airbag now. There's a gap on the bottom, so first step is done. And then if you actually look at these pockets right here, this bigger square, there's an angle on the back of it. It looks like if you hold it tight to it, it lines you straight up to get into there. And like I said, you barely dive in there. You pull that up, that one's free. You can see that the spring-loaded part slid down and it's not in the groove anymore. You follow this pocket, like I'm pushing up against that pocket, and then it catches that metal tab, and right when it catches that metal tab, you just push this way with it. With the spring, you're going towards the center of the steering wheel on both of these, and your airbag will quite literally come flying out. So kind of just, I'm not poking the wire, I'm using the pick as a little scooper. And then we're going to pop these black pieces up first. Use a little pocket screwdriver, get it in there. Twist that up. That will disengage the clip. And once those are up, the squibs will wiggle out. And then we have this ground right here. Just wiggle that. Alright, so once we get the steering wheel airbag off, we're going to see a little clip in here. It's just organizing these wires. We're going to slide that out from there, and then we're going to unplug this, and then there's one more gray one right here. It's got the little clamps in there also. So you're just going to press down. It is kind of hidden just now, but you're just going to press down on here, and then that plug will slide out. We're going to want to pull that out of the little clip that holds the wire in there, and we see that everything is free. And then we're going to get a 19 socket, and what I like to do is I'll loosen this. I won't take it all the way off, and you're going to want to just slowly rock back, and you'll hear it click. Finish taking that 19 off. And then just slowly pull this out, make sure nothing's catching. Because if you pull too hard and it hooks on the clock spring, you'll pull this whole cover off, and there's a ribbon in there that you do not want to mess up. And there you go. That is how you remove your steering wheel on your Nissan Z.